Hello, and welcome to Business Calculus, the constant E. Exponential and logarithmic functions are used heavily in business calculus. And there is a number, E, that has a lot of helpful properties when it's used in conjunction with these functions. Because of E's properties, it makes a natural choice of the bases for the function f of x equals e to the x, or g of x equals the natural log of x. As we learn more calculus, the reason why E is such an important basis will become clear. Let's look at the number E. It is defined using limits. It can be expressed either as the limit as n approaches infinity of 1 plus 1 over n to the n power, or as E equals the limit s approaches 0 of the quantity 1 plus s to the 1 over s power. Both of these limits are equal to the same value, 2.71828182849, which goes on forever and never starts repeating, which means that this value is irrational. Both of the limits on the previous page are non-trivial. It's difficult to prove that their answer actually is the value that we claim, 2.718, and so on, instead of just being equal to 1. So, what I would like for you to do is to use a calculator to test some of the values to show yourself that the limit is actually indeed equal to what we claim. Here I have plugged in some values to get us started. I'm using the definition of the limit as s approaches 0, and we have 1 plus s to the 1 over s power. If we plug in negative 1/2, we see that we get 4, negative 0.2, the number gets close to 3. At negative 0.1, we're getting fairly close to that 2.7 value. If we come from the other direction, starting at 1/2, we see we get 2.2500. Plugging in 0.2, we get a little bit closer, increasing towards the value 2.718. And what I would like for you to do is plug in these values in order to determine that we are indeed converging to our limit. So, fill in each missing value on this table, rounding your result to 4 decimal places. Here are some potential responses. And thank you very much for listening.